Roasted red pepper recipe. Simple, quick, easy pasta dish, making comfort food with just a few ingredients. Now you're going to need 350 grams of drained weight roasted red peppers. Takes ages with this brand getting in. Thankfully, I have a jar opener. Once you've drained those red peppers, you just want to pop them into a bowl. Then we're just going to blitz them up so they're nice and smooth and add in 1 can of chopped tomatoes. Again, just give those a little blitz with the hand blender too. It's at this point that you want to get your pasta on, so I'm using 300 grams of spaghetti. You can choose what you wish. And in a frying pan, add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. To the olive oil, you're going to add 1 small onion that's been chopped and 3 garlic cloves. I also like to add in around half a teaspoon of chili flakes. This is optional if you don't like anything spicy. Then you want to saute the onions and the garlic and chili for around about 5 minutes on a low heat until the onions are translucent and cooked through. Then you are going to add in the pepper and tomato mixture and you want to gently simmer for around about 5 minutes. Then I add in 50 grams of grated Parmesan cheese. Vegans can use an alternative. And also I just check at this point for salt and pepper. Usually it's fine for pepper, but I do like to add a tiny bit of salt. Then I also add in 100 ml of double cream. Again, if you're vegan, you can use your alternative. Make sure you're really gentle in bringing this up to temperature. You don't want that cream to split. Then it's simply a case of draining off your cooked pasta and adding it to the pan so that it takes on all those lovely flavours. Just cook it for a moment or two so that it brings it back up to heat again. Then it's simply a case of putting it into a dish and serving maybe with something like parsley or basil like I've got. And if you want the full written recipe, you know where to go by now. My website, cookingwithemily.co.uk.